Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be blow drying my hair, flat ironing my hair, and curling my hair. I'm going to be using all Chi products. No, this video is not sponsored, but I was sent the new Chi Lava, and this is their 1-inch volcanic lava ceramic pro spin and curl, which I cannot wait to use, you guys. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So you guys, my hair is washed and deep conditioned, and it also is detangled, and I am wearing my Bon Bon Chabot t-shirt towel. I am going to be using a heat guard, which I've used it before and I absolutely love this stuff. It smells amazing and it's very light on my hair. So this should be perfect for flat ironing my hair. So it says you can spray this on damp hair or dry hair. I'm also going to be using the Chi Silk Infusion. I'm going to tell you about that much. I use like a quarter amount, or you know, I'd rather say like a nickel amount of my hair. And if your hair is thinner than mine, then I would use even less than that. It just depends on how thick your hair is, because this stuff will kind of weigh your hair down, but not heavy, but it'll like make your hair clump together. So I'm just going to section this off and I'll be right back. I'm going to use my Chi Lava, and this is the blow dryer. I'm going to be using the comb attachment, and this is my first time using a comb attachment. So I'm pretty curious to see how well this will work on my hair. So let's go ahead, give it a go. So I just got done blow drying my hair, so this is what my hair looks like using the Chi Lava and using this comb attachment. The only thing that I would say about this attachment is I would like for them to have included like a wider tooth comb. I think that would be my only con, but other than that, it did a great job. But if your hair is thinner than my hair, then this should work fine with your hair. For my hair, I feel like I would have benefited more from a wider tooth comb, you guys. Still puffy, but it does have a lot of body. And I will be doing a limp check in this video after I flat iron my hair with my Chi flat iron that I love. And this was the only flat iron that worked for my natural hair to get my hair like straight, like when it was Texlax and Relax, like straight without having like that puff at the end. So yeah, so this is my favorite flat iron, y'all. So it's been about 2 months since I last flat ironed my hair. I do feel like my hair has grown a lot, y'all. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really do think that my hair has grown, and I would be able to see it better once I flat iron my hair. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright you guys, so I just got done flat ironing my hair. So my hair has grown since the last time I flat ironed it 2 months ago. I can't really tell that it's grown because it's grown. I expected my hair to grow, but I did not expect it to grow this fast. Like, this is crazy. My hair was definitely not this long 2 months ago. I'm gonna put up a side by side so you guys can see. After I recorded that previous video where I flat ironed my hair, I cut my hair. So I do like trims. Yo, I wouldn't even believe that I trimmed my hair last time if I knew you know what I'm saying? I trimmed my hair and it was like a good inch to a half inch that I cut it. So this is really crazy to me. So anyway, so this is the back. Go ahead and do this length check for you guys. This is at 11 inches. I remember when my hair was like, when I was doing my first length check and my hair was like at 3 inches, y'all. So this is gonna be at 10 and a half. Now one thing about me, and I don't know if you guys are like this too, like your hair grows faster on one side. And I always had that problem when my hair was Tex-Lax, like one side would always grow longer than the other side. So let's see. It appears, no, it's at 10 and it's at 10 and a half too. So my hair is growing pretty even on both sides. So that's crazy. I've always had that problem with my hair. The back is at 10, oops. The back is at 10 inches. On that side, and this side is at like 10 and a half, almost 11 inches on this side. So that's crazy. So the crown area seems to be at 11 and a half. That is the longest part of my hair, is in my crown area. Now for the star of the show. So let's go ahead and turn it on. The on and off power button is right here. And there you go, your temperature right there. It's heating up as we speak. Oh, that's really cool that it shows you like the temperature is at. So it's saying low and then it's like moving. I don't know if you guys can see it moving in this little digital display, but I thought that's really cool. And it's getting hot real fast too. So I guess I'll do the back of my head first. So I hold the back side facing my hair, lay my hair on top, and then it'll spin it. I'm going to use this Infra texture. I'm going to spray some on this side of my hair. Okay. What I did notice about this and what I did like about this is that they give you 2 directions that your curls can spin in. I think this is about 1 inch. Alright. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, that's nice. I actually like that curl. That was so cool, y'all. Alright, let's move on to the next section. The opposite way of the other one. So I just sit it on top. Oh my god, my curls look so freaking good. I'm gonna do this one in this section. And I'm actually glad that my hair is long enough to do these curls. Because I was afraid my hair wasn't long. Because y'all know, if you have natural hair, your hair shrinks up so much you don't know the real length of your hair until you flat iron it. So I was hoping that this was going to be long enough. And it looks so cute. We're just going to do this fast. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair and show you guys the results after I come back. this is what it looks like. I am going to comb out my results, but you guys can tell, like, y'all see the bounce? My curls, I really like them. They're going to look even better once I comb these bad boys out. But for now, I'm going to leave them right like this so that way it can hold this curl a little bit longer. And I also need to do my makeup. So I'm going to do my makeup, comb these out so you guys can see the back. They look really good. I really like them. Alright guys, so let's see what my hair looks like. I've been doing my makeup for about 30 minutes to an hour. I think an hour is on the extreme. 30 to 45 minutes, I want to say. And I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to comb it out. Comb it out. You know what? I'm going to pick this out. I feel like this pick is much better. Guys, so this is it. I think the curls give my hair a lot of body. I have not had curls like this in over a year, because that's when I cut my hair. About a year and a half. It might be a month more, it might be a month less, but I got some curls and they're looking good. This is the back. What do you guys think about my hair? Do you guys like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments section what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And I will talk to you later. Bye.